Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Tapo C200 with the Tapo C210 and I'm going to look on what are the main differences between these two. So primarily the first thing is that when you're going to find here the C210 by the better resolution, so you're going to have 2K 3MP, you're going to see right here that it's like better. Then you're going to have night vision is similar. Then you're going to field of view, C210 is better in this regard, not by much but it is. Then you're going to have pan tilt range same, motion tracking same, AI detection, or you can have personal detection, baby cry detection, motion detection, customizable alarm same, storage same, audio same, privacy mode same, smart integration same, connectivity, power source, operating temperature, audio, and dimensions is really similar. But as you can see, the primary difference is in the field view, the resolution, and that's what I found regards the specs for you. So this is like a quick and effective video to actually like get you more information regarding these two products. I hope you liked it. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.